Welcome to a manifesting meditation. I hope it brings you clarity. I hope it brings you to who you are becoming. Now, find a space to relax, either laying down, sitting up, whatever works for you. No judgment here. This is called bringing it all together. Breathe. Begin to see your breath. Feel yourself connecting to your breath, relaxing your shoulders, releasing any tension in your jaw. Maybe move your neck back and forth, just letting go, allowing yourself to be just right here. Continuing to breathe, connecting with your breath, maybe breathing a little deeper with each breath. You have nowhere else to be, nowhere left to go except right here. Breathe. Land in your breath. Embody your being with your essence. Wrap your thoughts in your heart. Breathe. You feel yourself floating as though you are watching the play pan out. You notice that this play is the melodrama you've been writing yourself into. You've become the main character of an off-Broadway show that no one wanted to see. You shift yourself. You lift yourself. You pivot yourself and land in a space where you feel grounded, respected, aligned, light, empty. You begin to have a look around and notice that you've tidied up. This room is clearer, lighter, a place where you feel free. Now take a moment to land yourself in the room. What do you feel? What do you see? You notice a plush, comfy chair in the room. Allow yourself to take a seat. Next to the seat is a fire burning. You sit and begin to think of and release all the pieces of you from the year that were heavy. You let them burn. You send them gratitude for the lessons and the untidying they gave you. You release them. They are no longer a part of your story. You notice a journal and a beautiful feathered pen on the table next to your seat. You begin to feel a stream of consciousness flow over you like a wave. You allow yourself to receive the visions of your higher self. You allow the transmissions of your desires, dedications, and abundance. Now receive your light. Hold steady that you are already exactly this. Now let's embody it. Open your eyes and write your intentions and affirm this is you now. Go ahead, and I hope you enjoyed this channeled message and meditation. And please write down what your intentions are, how you can get there, when it will happen. It may help you to break it into the days that you can implement things, maybe implement into a calendar, or if you want to do it by months, or if you want to do it any way that feels right for you. This is who you are becoming. Enjoy.